Core temperature rising too fast. We have to initiate cooling sequence now.
Check the manifold pressure reading now.
It's holding steady at 3,000 psi.
Pressure holding at maximum. Seals are green.
Doors secure. Test commencing.
The pressure reading on Sector 4 is fluctuating.
I see it. Rerouting coolant now.
We have a fluctuation on the primary conduit.
Adjusting flow rate by 5%.
Levels are spiking in Sector 4. We need to reroute auxiliary power now.
Rerouting sequence initiated.
Confirmation on the timeline. Control.
Levels approaching critical on port side sensors.
I show a steady increase in localized vibration.
Maintain current thrust and observe closely.
We're exceeding stabilization parameters on the north coupling.
I see the spike. Recommend immediate power reduction to 70%.
Surface integrity looks nominal, but the casing shows slight seepage under UV.
Noted. Let's tag this section for further analysis.
Right there, Sector 7. See the fluorescence.
Confirmed. Logging the coordinates now.
Clearance granted. Proceed to calibration point.